Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so today I did a video, forgot to update it, so that was not nice. Alright, so well, actually it's too bad because I think we were about the 1.236 when I was recording. Then I was, well, I'm not sure this this impulsive movement is finished. More, it could be possible that we go to the 1.36. Would have updated in time, it would have been nice. I got it, but I still got it, but no one know. All right, so I'm still seeing that this potential third wave. Actually, let me zoom out a little bit. So the idea is that possibly we're making a just wave 1 and 2, and now we're going for the third wave. Why I'm saying that? Well, because the wave 2 was kind of deep on the limit. You can see that it did really hold the 0.786 fib retracement. And now the angle of this impulsive movement, it's very nice. It did reach the 1.36, 123,737, and it could go even higher. So the next level that I'm going to watch, it's 126,789. Did we? No, we didn't. So we almost challenged the all-time high here in yellow, the dotted one, but almost there, but not totally. I just wanna emphasize on the idea that maybe this is just a B wave. Once again, it can go up to the 1.38, 131, 415, and after that go lower for that C wave. The good news is, actually let me remove this because it's annoying. The good news is, even if it does that, so that this is the A and this is the B, because it looks like they want to do a higher B wave, then the C wave is not going to go as slow. We're not going to make a lower low compared to the A wave, and that would be fine for me. The other account, yeah, so once again, 1, 2, we're working on a third wave, and I think now I can also remove some levels and add others. So I can remove that and that. Where is the 2? I lost the 2. Okay, let's take the 3 then. Okay. So these are the level now, and lately, on the last impulsive move that we had, like 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, we did had some that even reached the 2x. So not impossible. 131, 446. That would be amazing. And after that, yeah, we still have a potential fourth wave and a fifth wave to go, and that perhaps could be or could not be the top of this cycle. We shall see. Now I know on YouTube I see many YouTubers saying 180, 200, 250. Well, I'm not saying it's not possible, but let's be cautious. So I will still start to take some profit eventually, pretty much soon though. And if it goes higher, well, no problem with that. I don't feel stupid taking profits. And what else? What else? Let me just double check. Well, okay, so we do have a bearish divergence now. RSI is going lower, price is going up. This was on the 1 hour. Let's go on 4 hours. We are overbought, that's fine. And on the daily, not overbought yet, or about to be. So we still have some potential to go higher. So I'm not saying price it can reverse now, but I'm saying we are reaching a nice level. Can we reach the next one? Possibly we can, but the targets have been met, so he can start that pullback anytime he wants. Bitcoin. Now let me do I don't want to say useless trend, but it's yeah, Yeah, because a lot of time they work until they don't. Let me... Okay, I'm going to put that in green. So until the price doesn't break below this trend, we're fine. In a case we start to break, then, let me put the fib retracement. I mean, if the price would stop now to go higher, and we would expect a retracement, then this would be the level. Let me remove some levels here. Okay, so we're talking, not that one, this one. So we're talking about between under 20, 221, and under 16, 134 for this possible fourth wave that I cannot even find anymore. There you are, here. Once again, I'm not saying it's happening. I'm just saying if it does happen, if price stops to go higher, then, first sign, first hint, I would say, breaking the uptrend line. After that, we want to also see ideally a nice A, B, C, and the C ending and finding support into this area. Let me do Solana, Ethereum as well. So actually, I want to check something here. So they are similar, right? The MA50 was here and then it just skyrocketed. Ethereum, same, it just skyrocketed. The only thing is possibly one. No, this doesn't work anymore. Because, I was saying maybe this is just an ABC, we're doing the 1 and this is the 2. But because we went way, way, way lower, forget about it, not happening. And so this is the A, this is the B, and all this is the C. Yeah, it works. I think it works well like that. And let me just clean up a little bit. It's been a while I didn't do any update on... so we had 5 ways up here. And this is messy. 1, 2, 3. This also doesn't work. So 3, 4, and 5. And this was an A. This is the B. Actually, I would say this is W, X, Y. And within the Y, we have an A, we have a B, and we have the C. And the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is pretty much done. And so I would say that all this movement could be just a 1, and now we're doing a 2. And possibly now this could be the 1 waiting for a 2 for that third wave. Hopefully it's clear enough. So all this is a 1. This is the 2. And if I do some micro counting, possibly this could be the 1. We're going to have a 2 and then 3, 4, 5. And this is going to be the third wave. So this is how I see it now. And possibly when we do the 1, 2, then this would be an interesting level to get in. Is it going to have a shallow or a deep wave 2? Possibly. That's another question. But definitely this third wave is going to bring all the momentum in, all the attention. I know many companies now that are focusing and scaling in Ethereum that I heard in the last 3 months. So when this little guy is going to move, if it does move to the upside and start to make a new all-time high, then I would say the acceleration is going to be crazy. Now, next target, we go here, 5,420 to round it up, and even higher would be $6,368 or $69. That's great. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.